Hey Island Tribe!
Wagwan.
Welcome back Island Tribe.
Yeah.
Girl Maria.
Yeah, Island boy Africa.
And baby Island. Island, say hi.
Island.
Okay,
Distracted.
he's just distracted looking around. So guys,
today's the day.
Today's the day that we announce where
Yeah.
we're going.
Yeah.
And drum roll.
Yeah, today guys we're going to Melbourne. Yeah guys, I know lots of you left your predictions and all that. Some of you thought we were going to different countries,
but we came up with a solution.
Yeah.
Next time we decide we go on a trip,
yeah,
whoever gets it right in the comments section will get a gift.
yeah.
That's what we plan to do.
Yeah.
So
For
keep
real.
it for next time. Look at that smile, Bubba. Yeah. So
man.
guys, stay tuned. We just got to the airport. We've still got a few hours ahead of us.
Yeah.
But yeah, we're just gonna go with it and see how we go.
Yeah man, so it's exciting, you know.
It is.
Yeah guys, because we did plan to go to Sydney and we didn't, you know, so we planned that to go to Sydney for a later date, you know.
Yeah.
So yeah man, we're gonna see what Melbourne is like. And Lucy, we're coming to your place.
Yeah, Lucy and all our Melbourne fans.
Yeah, you know, so
Melbourne subbies, I should say.
yeah man, this is exciting guys.
Hey guys, so let's do this.
Yeah.
Let's go. I'm hungry.
We heard it's cold there.
And it's cold.
Yeah.
It is a bit cold.
Yeah.
We're at the Gold Coast, by the way, guys.
Yeah.
So, yeah.
This is us guys. Yeah man, so we're gonna look something for eat guys, so stay tuned. Yeah man, bless.
Hello, good morning, where do you came from? Perfect stranger I've been waiting on. Right place at the right time. Nobody can tell me you ain't mine. Yeah. To be honest, I've never been this bold. Your personality, it warms my soul. All they ever do is lie to you, baby. Tell them other niggas bye-bye. Yeah. Come over here, so I know you love my accent.
Alright, so here we are guys.
Windy as anything.
Very windy and cold. Yeah, so we have all our bags, thing like that. So, yeah, Terminal 1. Here we are. Coming. Yeah.
So guys, looks like the airport is being renovated. Domestic guys, because we are going in domestic. Now good try for everyone that said we were going to New York and Miami.
Said England, Germany, so many different places.
I never knew so many places have bipolar weather. Yeah. So guys, Melbourne it is. We've never been there before, so this is our first time.
Yeah.
Bit nerve-wracking because you don't know what I don't even know if I packed light or what.
Yeah.
So when you see these people's, yeah
man.
Melbourne.
Domestic arrivals. Ready.
We'll get masks. We're gonna get masks, guys, because we need to have masks on our flight.
Okay.
In here, babe. So they got that 10 pack, or they have the black one with a filter in it.
I don't mind whichever you choose. Very good day.
Hi, good day.
Some masks.
So babe's buying masks. Safety.
Okay.
We're sitting here waiting for our flight in about an hour's time. We just ate the most fatty food. It was so gross. But anyway, that's what we could eat for the time being.
Yeah, we have like an hour.
Yeah, that's right.
Yeah.
Have an hour, guys. So yeah, can't wait.
Can't wait.
Can't wait. Yep. Well, I might go check in that chair then.
So we're going now, guys.
Been on a plane how many times now?
It's gonna be a packed flight. We come over here.
Hey guys. Hi, getting your flight. Look at Bobo.
Ready.
Hi, Len. Hi, Len, say hi. Hi, Len. Wow, Bobo. No, come here. Stay here. Wanna come, Mama?
Hi. Smile. Kiss. Here we go. So windy.
Look at Island's face, guys. He's done this before. We're on the flight, Island. We're on the flight, guys.
Here we go.
It's a little bit late for us. We're usually chilling watching movies at this time of the night. But we're here now. We're doing the thing, you know? Yeah, flight's packed too. Heaps of people, so, you know, just gonna... Yeah, guys.
Here we go.
People, let's go. Hey, 2 hours. The Goldie Bird. The Goldie Bird. Goldie Bird. Priceless. Can't put a tag on that. Island's eating olives, guys. He loves olives. He's an olive eater.
Yeah, man. Chips.
Yep. And so, cheers. No, it's not good for you.
going now, guys. This is the bus we're going on to go to the city.
Finally touched down. A bit tired. We'll talk to you all about it tomorrow.
Yeah.
Really tired. Absolutely so tired. But yeah, and Ireland's just been really painfully annoying.
Yeah.
Yeah. So he needs some. I don't know. You guys comment. What do you think he needs? 'Cause I don't even know anymore.
Yeah, some real discipline, guys.
So,
So we're still at the airport. Yeah, still at the airport.
so like 11 o'clock at night. Can't wait to get to the hotel and just freshen up and lay down.
Yeah,
See if we can get some food or something.
definitely.
It seems like a main strip, eh? Like nightclubs and stuff. That's what it seems like. Oh, look, sea life.
Island this way.
Oh, they're pretty mirrors, aren't they, Island?
Yeah.
Gonna dance?
So guys, we're at the hotel right
At the
now.
hotel. Oops, the lift's here.
Oh, it's this one.
Yeah.
Island here.
In
Here.
there, come on.
Let's go.
Quick, come on. Let's go.